Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 40 Laravel 12 Custom Forget and Reset Password Mail part 2. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Call and WhatsApp anytime. This 919941599815 paid service. Any issue to please contact anytime. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PHP my admin. Inside this, click this reset user table, and this is the database name is available, and this is available. Good, working. And this my project is available gem directory inside this htdoc directory in this project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Good, working. And this project is already run. This my browser working fine. And in this video is a use. This is a mail trap IO. This mail trap IO is a inside this implementation mail trap IO. Please first of all this is a your account is a login. And this is a .env file. Open .env file. Inside this credential is a inside this implementation. Let's step by step implementation this credential. Let's PHP inside this is the latest one. This is available. This SMTP, same near SMTP. This is a mail trap is a SMTP. This is a host name is available. This is a host name. Host name. Second is a 25 is available. This is the username. Password is available, but this is a and this is a my Gmail account is a my Mataji. This is a Gmail account. Any issue, this Gmail account is a implementation. This is a Gmail account, and this is a not a use. This is a null. All is it is, and this is a implementation. This password, but in this is a video is a copy inside. This is a and this is a hide password, and this is a not a show. In this is a this video is a not a show. Successfully in this is a implementation. This password is a hidden and successfully inside this is a implementation. Inside this username after password is a not a so this video term and condition successfully close this working good. And in this is a Laravel 12 this is a implementation Laravel 12 in successfully implementation. Let's close this successfully implementation. This is a credential. Let's next is a refresh this page and click this login. Inside this forget password is available, and this submit is available. Inside this submit, let's open this app http controller and auth controller. Inside this is a submit is available. This previous video first part is a save, otherwise not a your mind is a very confused. Let's inside this implementation step by step implementation. Let's top bar inside this is a first of all this is a mail is a implementation. This is successfully mail same name is a inside this mail is a paste here. This is a mail is a set. This is a mail is a successfully user. Inside this email is available and password forget password in same here same name. Copy this save file copy, and this is a inside the same name copy and inside include use app mail and paste here save file. Let's mail copy folder, click this inside this new folder is a copy and successfully copy, and this is a new PHP file is a create new .php successfully created. This file is a successfully created. Good, working. Let's step by step inside this implementation. First of all this is the PHP started, and this is a click this same here copy, and this is a close this. This is available. This is a makeable, and this is a 3-step is a implementation. This is a all good. This makeable. This is a name is a same here this name all good. Let's public is equal to the same name is a user. Inside this pass here this is the same name copy $user copy and paste here. user is a paste here. Public function public function, and this is successfully this good, all good. This is a fine. Next is a public function build return $this markdown and same name is inside this new folder is a create folder name is a email folder dot forget password, same name. The same name email folder is a create, let's new folder is a create email folder, successfully create. Let's next is a copy, and inside this is a new blade.php, successfully created. Well, good, this is a created. Let's subject is a forget password, and this is a let's step by step again implement. This is a app name is available this .env file inside this app name, and this is a email, this user underscore email. This email is available, database name is a user email. In this previous video is a all implementation, this close, this not use. Let's step by step, this is successfully all good. Please write down this file, all good, please write down. Next inside this is a forget password, inside this implementation form is a via email is a set. This is a email forget email is a set, and this is a first of all this component is a set component. Second is a this is a end component app name, and this forget is a user email is a set. This is a user, inside this is a name is a available this user, and this is a name is a available database name. This name is a implementation name. Next is a this token is a implementation remember token. Let's remember token is a set this video. Remember token, it's happen, and this is a remember token. Successfully reset user remember token, all good, this is a fine. Let's save file and refresh this page. Let's implementation, this is the email id is not available inside this database, is not available this email id. Let's forget password and successfully not a registration this email id. Email is not found system. Let's this found system this email id copy and paste here and send, and inside this mail is a show. Please wait, this is not available inside this mail is a show. Please wait, send this mail. Mail is a send, please wait. Successfully password has been reset. Let's check this mail inside this available. This is a Laravel underscore 11 forget password. This 100% is a show, good working. This is the admin, his name is available, this is a admin name, and this is a token, this is a it's happen Laravel underscore 12. This Laravel underscore 12 is available .env file. This is a name is available forget password. This is a name admin. Second is available. This is Laravel underscore 12. So this inside this implementation this is available app name. App name is available. So inside this available config app name, and this is a forget password. Same here. This forget password. All good, this is all successfully implementation, and this thank you is available this name available config app. This is all dynamic. Let's click this reset password. The 100% is working fine, but this is a 404, and this is a token is available this token is available 6k. So this is a remember token CKE. This is a available. All good. The same name is a copy this reset password copy, and inside this open web.php, and inside this is a implementation reset password, step by step reset password token. This is available reset password token auth controller. The same name copy, save file copy. This is a get reset and auth controller open. Auth control is available. App http. This is a auth control available. Inside this new function is a create public function, paste here, and this token is a pass here, app token. This step by step all implementation request token. This is a request token, and this is a available. And this first of all, this is a user random token is a get. Second is a not found. So first of all, this is a successfully found. Good working. This is a token is a successfully all good. This please write down this step by step. This is a auth inside this same name is a reset. Auth inside this new file is a create, file name is a blade.php, successfully created. Please write down this file. Inside this token, so this token is available, database token, this token. This token is a get. Inside this is a user model inside this token, meta description and title. Let's refresh this page, and this is 100% is a blank. This is a blank is a available. This is good working. This is a blank. All good. Next is a this is a blank file inside. This is a hi. Save file and refresh this page. 100% hi is available. And this is my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Any doubt, so please contact. We are help to help 24/7. WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And this is the official website. Let's step by step inside this implementation form. Form is the implementation, same here, copy and paste here. And this is a hi is a remove, not use hi. Hi is a not a remove. Save file and refresh this page, and this is a successfully blank. Good working. And this is a step by step implementation. This is a content message inside. This is a password is a implementation. This is a mesh password is a set. Save file. And this is a successfully all good. Please write down this step by step. This form is a successfully all good. This is the action inside this reset token, and this is password, and this is a confirm password is a set. Please write down step by step. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a form is a working fine. This is a available, good working. Next is the same here. Copy this name, copy, and this is a web.php open and paste here. Inside this copy and paste here, method is a post, and this is a copy and paste here, save file. And this is a name is available, post reset, reset, save file. Successfully post reset is a save file. Let's copy this name, post reset auth controller, public function, paste here, save file. All good. Next is inside this is a token and request form is a set. This is a token, save file. Let's copy this name inside this implementation, paste here, reset password. Reset password is a paste here, and this is a new path is a set. All good. This let's request folder is a create app inside this request folder is a create successfully. Request folder is a created. Good working. Let's inside this request inside this new PSP successfully create. Request PSP successfully created. Okay, my mistanding inside this request create. This is a remove this request. Delete. Request is 100% is a remove. Let's this request is a HTTP inside this new folder is create successfully create, and this file is a create PSP successfully created. This is a HTTP inside this. All good. Let's same here successfully write down a request password, and this password and confirm password is available inside this name is a password, second name is a confirm password. Successfully all good. Please write down this successfully all good. This same here. Let's step by step working fine, and this is a inside this is a issue is a implementation, not a issue. Let's run this password in this is a successfully all set. Step by step implementation. This is a user, remember token is a set. Next is a this is next is a hash password is a set. This first. Second is a hash password is a make is a implementation hash password, and this is a all good working. Please write down this is a save file. All successfully set. This is a login. Login is available web.php inside this login. All good. Login is a good working. This is a login is a good working. This step by step the password, and this is remember token field is available in database password and remember token. This field is available. All good. And this is a SRC and hashtag, SRT and hashtag. This SRT and hashtag is available. Please write down this is all successfully set. This file is write down. This is a reset file is a write down. This is a error is a show not a matching. This is this, and this web.php all good. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a refresh this page, and this is different password is a set. This is not match. Let's click this reset, and 100% is a not working. This is a password and confirm password is a not match. All good. This is this password and this password is a set, and this is a not a working. All good. Let's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and click this reset. The 100% is a login. Good working. Successfully password has been reset, and this is a login screen. This password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is old password is a not working. All good. This password is a not a working. Let's correct password is implement 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 100% is a working. All good. This is a successfully login. Good working. Let's log out, and registration inside this is a forget password is a available, and this again this is a click this not a working. This is a link is a expire. This is a expire this link. Next is again this forget password implementation user and send, and this is 100% is a send email. This is a 100% inside this email is a available. This is a email is a available. Good working. And this click this reset password, and this is a sure successfully has been resetted. All good. Let's password is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click this registration, and this is 100% is a redirect. All good successfully, and again click this to 100% is a expire. Inside this total is a this is a token is a send KTS, and this is a token is a inside this is a sends. This is KTS token is a sends. Successfully token is a sends, and this password is a sends. All good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. And this is again login. So 100% is a login. All good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. This is a working fine. All good. Thank you.